I'm Joe Britton. My background is in real estate. I've been working in the real estate field for about 23 years, and I've had a chance to buy and sell quite a bit of real estate. Our record year, we had done over 600 closings, and in that time, we've had everything from residential to commercial properties. And as the market had changed, I was really looking for a way to invest our capital into something different and to grow it and to continue my education as a trader. My trading when I started out was recommended and through reading nearly 40 to 50 books on the topic to look into investing strictly in the E-minis. The E-mini futures were a vehicle, I believe, that from some advice from different people in the trading field, it was really a good investment. I found it to be disastrous. In trading in a field that I really didn't know enough about, the market was so very volatile, and learning in that and not getting a support or a program that would allow me to put it all together what I knew and really beat the market, it just wasn't working for me at all. So I really decided to seek some type of mentorship that would allow me to take what I knew and put it together. And really at that time I didn't realize how off base I was. As I looked at different equities and understanding more and more of how do I take the information in many of these books and put it into practice, and it really still didn't work for me until I sought Grock Trade. And in researching and understanding and getting a lot of good recommendations about Grock Trade, I had signed up for the mentoring class, the 201 course also, and what it was so important to me was to take this information that I knew that was in pieces and pull it together and really cement an education, or at least the foundation beginning of being a trader. Because as I started, I had a lot of little pieces, but there really wasn't any one thing that I could say that would pull all this information together, and that's one thing that the trading system did for me. It was a huge help. One of the things that I looked at when I was walking down the road, and it really is a journey. Trading is not something that I think you walk out and just know. It's so deceptively difficult, I think, without having a good mentor. And having a mentor, somebody you can call, somebody you can talk to, somebody that you can really seek information from and get quick responses to, that was so important to me, because I needed coaching and I needed somebody to virtually do some hand-holding. And as I worked with Grock Trade, I realized that the support was phenomenal. The courses that I took were extremely thorough. As I walked through the 201 course, the mentorship, and to me personally, one of the parts specifically that worked well for me was learning to trade in the right risk, portfolio management, risk management, trading in the right ratios. One thing that I really didn't know how to do was draw line charts and graphs. I did not know how to plot and draw technical lines on a chart. I looked at them, but my charts were not right. And it's almost as if you're looking at a symphony. It's great to hear one instrument. When they all come together, it works. And limiting the risk. Risk management is so vital to what I believe trading to be. If the risk is out of balance, a portfolio can be wiped out. And starting off trading the E-minis bare without the proper training, it was very difficult and very expensive. It's my thought that investing in a trading course, and I've done that several times, you get pieces of a lot of things, but what Grock Trade allowed me to do is see all that pulled together in one symphony under one roof in one stop, and really get a good understanding of that. Is that in trading, getting a good foundation. I learned at the beginning very incorrectly, and I learned the hard way, and I learned by trading a market that I wasn't ready to trade in. I think getting the right education, there's nothing more expensive than the market teaching you the hard way. If you learn trading with a team of mentors and get the foundation right, I had such a fear developed after getting beat down in the market that it was a period of unlearning that took place. Once you have that foundation in place, it builds confidence. Confidence builds better results, and the results speak for themselves. And that's really the end goal. To me, the mission is, are you trading your plan? Are you working your plan? Do you have it written down? Is it really written down? And keep perfecting that plan.